Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to share with you a short demo of how you can use the bind mount and volumes in Docker. So let me jump to Pratic to show you how you can implement that. So for that I will open the PowerShell, right? Go to this directory, this one, copy this one, right? Delete it, right. At the first I will I will run an Nginx server Docker container, and we will see the default page index.html default page of Nginx. Then I will try to bind my local host directory with the Nginx default directory, so I can share files with that directory from my local host. So let me do that. So docker run name Nginx1, touch it on port 80. This is the port of the host, and this is the port in the container. When the local host, the port and this port will receive traffic, it will redirect it to the container port. Then we will have an answer from the container, will show us our HTML page. So and then the image name. So run image attach right. If I run it now, you can see here it is running. If I go here, check localhost, localhost, right. Now that is work. Now what I will do, now I will try to bind this directory with the default directory of the Nginx. For that, I will use the volume, the bind mount feature. So I will say docker run name nginx2 detach on which port 8080, because we already use this port, so I will use another port, and then I would say -v means, and then I will give it the volume. For the bind mount, we use the directory in. If you are using Linux, just type this one, this command, then here user dot shared slash nginx slash html. But because I am running on Windows machine, so I will run this command. So /c drive means, then I will copy all this bit, right? Users and volume. Copy, paste it, right? Then slash right. Then I will give it the name of our engine, right? So it is running. If I try now to go and check this port, it will show me a forbidden. Why that? Because when I bind this directory with my container directory, this one will override the file that reside within that path within the container that I have specified here. So all the files that will reside here, this one in the container will override. So now if I try now to go here and copy this website, copy it, then paste it here, and they can come back here, and I refresh, as you can see the website. So every changes I will make here, they will made on this Docker container directory. So if I try to connect a shell to this Docker, to this container, the exec -et, the name of the container, nginx2, then a bash, right? I try to see this user here, nginx html. If I check here, yes, this is all the directories that are here. For example, here, if I try open something here, try and open it, it's try to save it, save as, right, so I have new file here, .txt. So if I come back here and they check, so it is added here. If I try to cut, as you can see, there is Abdlali Jadmul. So I try to exit from. There is another option here, is to try to connect two containers using the volume. So I will, at the first I should to create a volume, then attach it to this directory. So this way is can enable us to make two containers to interact and talk with each other. So for example, if I try here, say try to run another nginx container, I call it name nginx 3, right, slash e and say port e, right, and then I say slash v and give it a name volume 5. Then I will connect it to the user, right, and here nginx email, right, then I say the image, right, this is the volume, right. Here I will run another docker container, name it run, call it a name, say nginx 5, attach port 80, and then I will call it volume 5, and they will detach it, attach it to the user share nginx email, right, so it is. So now if I try to access to this, go to this container one running on, right. So if I click here, I have two containers. If I try to try to run docker volume inspect volume 5, yes, then if I try to say docker container inspect nginx 5, right, we'll have this. I have volume 5, right, and if I check for nginx 3, it's running,